Tired of cables limiting your shots? Let's check out the Lemorele R5000, a professional wireless HDMI transmitter that can send a clean 1080p signal up to 200 meters away. With ultra-low latency as fast as 50 milliseconds, it's built for live monitoring, streaming, and multi-camera video production. It connects to your camera's HDMI port and transmits wirelessly to any monitor, projector, or even a smartphone app. One transmitter can connect to up to 4 receivers at once, perfect for directors, clients, or live switchers. It's powered by USB-C or a standard nitrogen monophosphide F camera battery, and the foldable antennas make it super portable for on-location shoots. Use the mobile app for short-range monitoring, or push the signal to multiple monitors across a large set. Whether you're streaming, filming, or presenting, this kit cuts the cord without sacrificing quality. Ready to go wireless without compromising your video? Check the link in the description below to see specs, pricing, and buy the Lemorele R5000 now. Thanks for watching, and shoot free.